Protecting the sensor of your Nikon Z8 is crucial, particularly during lens changes when the camera's interior is most exposed to dust and debris. Even a small particle can impact image quality and lead to time-consuming cleaning or repairs. Recognizing this, Nikon has introduced the Sensor Shield feature, designed to provide an extra layer of defense. This innovative solution automatically covers the sensor when the camera is powered off, reducing the risk of contamination. With the Sensor Shield, photographers can handle lens swaps with greater confidence and peace of mind. The Sensor Shield setting is designed to protect your camera's sensor from dust and debris. When activated, it uses the mechanical shutter as a barrier, closing it whenever the camera is powered off or the lens is removed. This simple yet effective mechanism helps prevent unwanted particles from reaching the sensitive sensor surface. By reducing the risk of contamination, the Sensor Shield contributes to maintaining image quality and minimizing the need for frequent sensor cleaning. To locate and enable the Sensor Shield at power-off setting on the Nikon Z8, begin by turning on the camera and pressing the menu button. Navigate to the Setup menu, which is represented by a wrench icon. Scroll through the options until you find the Sensor Shield at power-off setting. Select this option and then choose Enable to activate the feature. Once enabled, the Sensor Shield will automatically engage whenever the camera is powered off, helping to protect the sensor from dust and debris. The mechanical shutter in a camera acts as a protective barrier for the sensor. When you change lenses or power off the camera, the shutter closes, physically blocking the sensor from exposure to dust and debris. This helps maintain image quality by reducing the risk of particles settling on the sensor surface. By providing this layer of defense, the mechanical shutter plays a crucial role in preserving the longevity and performance of the camera's sensitive components. The Sensor Shield offers several practical advantages for photographers and camera enthusiasts. By providing a protective barrier, it significantly reduces the frequency and effort required for manual sensor cleaning. This not only saves time, but also minimizes the risk of accidental damage during maintenance. Additionally, the shield helps protect the camera's internal components from dust and debris, which can contribute to a longer lifespan for your equipment. Overall, the Sensor Shield enhances both convenience and durability in everyday camera use. To ensure your Nikon Z8 operates at its best, make a habit of using the Sensor Shield every time you change lenses. This protective feature helps prevent dust and debris from reaching the sensor, reducing the need for frequent cleanings. Integrating the Sensor Shield into your regular workflow not only safeguards image quality, but also extends the longevity of your camera. Consistency is key. By routinely engaging the Sensor Shield, you maintain optimal performance and minimize potential issues during shoots. Enabling the Sensor Shield setting is a simple step that can make a significant difference for photographers who are always on the go. With this feature activated, your camera sensor receives an extra layer of protection against dust and debris, helping to maintain image quality in a variety of environments. Knowing your equipment is safeguarded allows you to focus on capturing the perfect shot rather than worrying about potential damage. This added peace of mind lets you move confidently from one location to the next, ready for whatever the day brings.